Sketch Engine for Language Learning is a simple tool for students and teachers of English, Italian, German, Russian, Czech and Estonian to check how a particular phrase or a word is used by real speakers of that language. It is free of charge and very easy to use. How does it work? All you have to do is digit a phrase or a word and press the Enter key. Let's make an example with the English language. Imagine you come across the word exchange. You may look it up in a dictionary, but sometimes it's not enough. If you want to find out about the context in which the word appears, or the common collocations, that is to say, words that often go together, then Skell is the tool you're looking for. Skell has three main functions that you can find here at the top of the page: examples, word sketch, and similar words. The first one is called examples. It's a list of short example sentences, normally around 40, that contain the word you searched for, in this case, exchange, highlighted in red. Thanks to this function, you get a general idea of how the word is used. For example, you may notice that exchange can be used both as a verb, as in the first and the third sentence, or as a noun, as in the second and the fourth sentence. The second function is called word sketch. This page shows us common collocations of the word you searched for. Make sure you select the right part of speech by clicking here next to the word you chose. For example, if we choose exchange as a verb, we can find common subjects, common objects, common adjectives, and modifiers, that is to say, adverbs that normally accompany the word. And finally, at the end of the page, other words, other verbs in this case, that are commonly associated with it. There is one more thing you can do with this function. Let's say you're interested in understanding more about the collocation to exchange information. If you click on the word highlighted in blue, you will be redirected to the example page, but this time both the word information and the word exchange will be highlighted in red, giving you a better idea of how the phrase is used. Finally, the third function is called similar words. Again, remember to select the right part of speech at the top of the page. In this case, let's select exchange as a noun. Now be careful, because this is not a thesaurus option. Similar words does not mean synonyms, but words that occur in similar contexts. By clicking on each of these words, you can visit their own example or word sketch page, like this. Finally, you also find a word cloud here in blue. A word cloud is a cluster of words that are commonly used in a given context. The bigger and bolder the word, the more frequent it is. Those are the three main functions of Skell. Use it while preparing your lesson plan or try with your students to boost vocabulary learning and writing.